Hey there, this is Leslie Stokes, writer and geologist with the Northern Miner, and I'm here with Mining Clips today at the International Metal Writers Conference in downtown Vancouver, and I'm standing here with Carson. He's CEO of Magellan Gold, and he has some interesting things to say about some of the things that his company is doing in Mexico. I hear that you, as a company, are interested in kind of going from a junior explorer into a producer.
Yes, that's what I've always done before. Several instances have gone from exploration into production, and I think that's what we're aiming for here. That'll help our trading, our share price, and produce value for our shareholders. Our focus now is on the SDA mill. It's in the state of Nayarit in Mexico. It's been in production for about 10 years, and what we plan to do is to acquire that mill and then build up the production and try to become more substantial. Right now, even though it's been in production, they're either toll milling or they're reprocessing tailings and so forth. Our focus is to build up that production, and we've identified a number of sources of ore just close to the mill that we can truck into the mill.
Right, and so those projects that are around the mill, have you already acquired them? Are you looking at acquiring them, and how many?
Yeah, we have about 10 projects that we just identified, and about 3 of those look pretty good results. And so we're in the process of talking to those owners, and good chance that we'll acquire more than 1 or more of those.
Right, so the mill itself, you said that it has a flotation circuit, but it also has a cyanide circuit as well. And you're going to be looking at processing gold and silver. But what's the throughput rate on that mill? Like, how much ore can you push through there?
Well, they've been operating at about 100 tons a day. Mm-hmm. We had a metallurgist go down and look at it in February, and he says that we can run it up to about 200 tons a day. Right. So, we've got some capacity there. Our plan, of course, is to expand that capacity as we build up the production.
Right. And so with the, when you end up kind of getting all of this, what kind of cash flow would you be looking at producing, do you think, if you're running at 200 tons per day?
Yeah, I mean, it depends largely on the grade, but we could see, $5 to $10 million annually of cash flow.
Right.
Obviously, we'll be focused on the higher grade resources, which is what we've been looking at.
Right.
And so, this will change the company quite a lot. We also have 2 other high-quality silver exploration projects. One is in southwestern Arizona. There's been a lot of drilling there. There's about 16 million ounces of silver that have been identified, and the deposit is completely open at depth, about 8 miles of strike length, and so we're very enthusiastic about that one as well. And then we're also in joint venture with a company called Rio Silver Incorporated, TSXV company, where we're earning a 50% interest in a project in Peru. And that's a large exploration project. We have a great ground position there and some really good results to follow up on. So there we're looking for the big elephant.
Right. So, and then of course the asset in Mexico, you'd be looking at, injecting the company with a lot of cash. How are you guys sitting in the Treasury right now as it is?
We don't have much cash in the Treasury right now. We're just making a $100,000 payment on the mill this week.
Okay.
We are talking to several groups about fundraising. We'd like to raise a couple $1 million to complete the purchase of the mill. That's going to take about another $900,000, I think, and get more money in the Treasury to do the exploration on our other projects.
Right. And how much do you guys have budgeted for this mill and for the potential projects? Like, how much do you think that will cost Magellan?
For the purchase, you mean?
For the purchase, yeah.
The purchase is $1 million in cash. We're making a $100,000 payment this week, so it'll be another $900,000, and then $500,000 in stock. So we'll be issuing some stock as well.
So $1 million in cash.
$1 million.
Okay, I thought you said $1 billion. I was like, whoa,
no.
Pierce.
No, just $1 million.
Just
fortunately.
$1 million. Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, and thanks for taking time out of your day to chat with us.
Thank you, Leslie. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, great.